Hello future YouTube star, welcome to my YouTube channel. Have you ever thought of creating content without showing your face or without speaking and you can still earn money? That sounds impossible, right? But wait, it is possible, because in today's video, I'm going to show you 10 faceless YouTube channels which are earning amazing, which requires zero effort, no voice, no face, and they're still making big money. So stick around and I'm going to share some AI tools as well, which you can use in your content and you can make your task easy. So let's get started. Number 1 is relaxing YouTube channel. First, we have relaxing music channel. These channels focus on ambient, calm music or soundscapes like rain sound, nature sound or lofi beats. You don't need to show your face. All you need is a calm music and a video file, and you have to merge it and then your content is ready. So in this manner, you can start this YouTube channel. It is simple, right? Channels like relaxing white noise or soothing relaxations have millions of subscribers. And guess what? They don't need to do anything except upload great sound. To make this process easier, you can use some AI tools. Murph.ai, Cohesive.so, Wondercraft AI, Iva.ai, Pixel and Pixabay for free stock footage and images. Number 2 YouTube channel is animated YouTube videos. In animated explainer video, you don't need to be a perfect animator. All you need is some AI tools which can do work for you. You can use some AI tools like Anomoto and Bone, and you can make content in easy and funny way. In this manner, you can explain the concept also and you can engage your audience in your content as well. Channels like the Infographic Show have made millions by animating educational content, and other channels have also performed well in this field. These animated channels are eye-catching and very easy to make. You can use Deep AI to creating a unique, very amazing character, and Murph AI for a very amazing voiceover. Channel number 3 is screen recording videos. If you are good at tech and software, screen recording tutorial is a very good niche for you. In this, you don't have to be in front of camera. All you need is you have to explain and solve tech-related issues while recording everything in your computer screen and explaining everything in detail, so that if someone is in this situation, he or she can see your video and can solve this problem very easy way. You can also give some tips and tricks in this software-related tutorial videos. Tech Gumbo and Kevin provide amazing tutorial videos and they have never shown their face. So you can also think and start a YouTube channel in this field if you are good at this. You can use OBS Studio for recording your video and Camtasia for editing your video. So it is a perfect combination. You can use both tools and you can make your video in a very easy and efficient manner. So go for it. The next is stock footage compilation channel. These channels combine stock footages and make amazing videos. Sometimes they use background and text overlay to make their video more attractive. So if you are good at video editing, you can use stock videos and you can also make your unique video and you can upload it to your channel and it will be monetized and you are going to earn big. So don't wait and just get started. Top 5 Central does it perfectly, combining stock footages around trending topics. All they do is they piece together clips that already exist. For premium stock videos, you can use Pixel, Vidivo and Story Blogs. And for background music, you can use Epidemic Sound. Also, you can check YouTube library. They have amazing collection of background music, so you can use that also. Next is product review channel. In this, you don't have to show your face. All you have to do is you have to take hand in this video, or you have to show the product in action. That's it. Unbox Therapy sometimes uses close-up shoots of product with minimal voiceover. You can do the same with tech gadgets, beauty products, or any items that's popular. For easy video editing, you can use Filmora and Adobe Premiere Rush. And for AI voiceover, you can use Speechello. The next is nature and animal channel. People love to watch nature videos, so you don't have to show your face or your voice. All you have to do is you have to collect all the stock images of animal, nature, wildlife, and you have to combine it together and you have to make a unique video. And you can start this YouTube channel as well. If you are interested in nature, wildlife, and animals, then you can go ahead and you can do it. Channels like Earth Unplugged use a stunning visual of animals and nature. You could even start a channel featuring cute animal compilation. And in this also you can use Adobe Premiere Pro for smooth editing and stock footages for Vidivo for high quality clips. The next is Gameplay YouTube channel. For all gamers out here, if you are really interested in playing games, so you can even record it and you can make a complete YouTube channel from it. All you need to do is whenever you are playing game, you have to make it a live stream or you have to record it. And then you have to upload it in your YouTube channel. And from there itself, 2 things will happen. You can even play the game and entertain yourself, and you can upload your games and entertain other people as well. So in this time, you can entertain yourself also and you can make money from it. Channels like The Gaming Beaver or Game Riot feature gameplay without commentary and they still get tons of views. You can use Streamlabs and OBS Studio for amazing smooth editing, and you can use Twitch platform for recording live streaming your gameplay. So it will be a very easy for you to make all the gameplay and in a very short period of time. Number 8 is time-lapse videos. Time-lapse videos are amazing to watch. If you are building something, you are growing nature or you are doing painting, you can easily record time-lapse video and then you can upload it to your channel. In this, people love to watch time-lapse videos. So you're going to grow amazing YouTube channel from this. You can use Lapse.it for amazing time-lapse video and Adobe Premiere Pro for editing. The next is whiteboard animation videos. If you are good at explaining something, you can make whiteboard explainer videos. In this, you have to use whiteboard tool and then you have to make your content. It requires no to zero effort for this and you don't have to show your face as well. So it is a very good thing. You can start if you are very good at explaining something. You can use Video Scribe and Doodly for creating a professional white animation videos in minutes. Next is cute and motivational channel. You have to use some text animation and background music and your motivational video is ready. In this, you can use Canva and make bulk motivational videos. Some channels have gained millions of subscribers. All they do is to create videos of motivational quotes with stunning visual. So there you have 10 faceless YouTube channel ideas you can start now. They are all proven ways to build your audience and make money without showing your face and no voice needed. So what are you waiting for? Start, choose something and start amazing YouTube channel. Which one are you going to try? Tell me in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share and comment. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'm going to meet you in next video. Bye bye.